large amounts of money. When price hits these historical levels, it'll trigger buy or sell orders, and you'll see price like a lot of volume, usually around these levels. So it can be, past resistance can be a sign of future support or resistance. So we see a bounce right here, and it basically bounced right there. And we mark these levels on the larger time frames because when we get to the smaller time frames, it really gives us a better map of the overall price action and what we should expect. So I put a lot more levels than I think other people. I don't mind having the lines in my chart. Let me go to the 4 hour now. I think I did pretty good. And I don't need to do down here because price isn't around there. Okay. You can see it kind of price bounces around these ranges. Breaks out, rejects at 1. Each level, based on historical price, can give you a profit target when you're in the trade. So let's say here, for example. So you can see in the pre-market, we kind of bounced off this support area 3 times. Finally bottomed out here, and then you can see it bouncing going up. Now you want to mark pre-market levels too. So we looked at the larger time frame levels, the daily or weekly, daily, 4 hour. We also kind of want to mark the smaller time frame levels of the pre-market. So right here is the pre-market high, and you can see this would be the post-market, right? This is the time after, yesterday's movement, for example. And then this would be, like if this was today, this would be the pre-market, and it's divided by this line here. So this is what I mean by the pre-market high. If in case it was like higher over here, this would be the one I would be talking about. So I just marked that pre-market level, and then you can mark pre-market lows too, which is about this level right here. And what those levels, allow you to see is, when a stock usually is trading in that range pre-market, and then it breaks either way of that pre-market high or that pre-market low, it tends to usually send in that direction for a while. So that's the reason behind